Experiencing problems with your Tesco Mobile DPD tracking link? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues with order links or missing references. This section provides immediate steps to resolve these common problems. First, ensure you're using the correct tracking link from your order confirmation email. Check your spam folder if needed. If the link is broken, try clearing your browser's cache or using incognito mode. Alternatively, access your Tesco mobile account online or via the app to regenerate the tracking link through the order recovery feature. For missing references, carefully review your order history and confirmation emails. If these steps fail, proceed to the next section for support options. If self-troubleshooting doesn't work, it's time to contact support. Tesco Mobile offers live chat and phone support at 0344 324 9222. DPD's helpline at 0344 247 0000 is also an option, but have your order reference ready for verification. When contacting support, provide clear screenshots of any error messages. For app-specific issues, ensure your Tesco mobile app is updated to the latest version. As of October 2025, that's v5.2.1. If problems persist, consider potential delays due to high-volume periods or supply chain disruptions, which can temporarily affect tracking accuracy. Be patient but persistent, and document all communication with support for future reference.